Do you love watching movies? Let's learn how to talk about going to the cinema in simple English, step by step, with White Eagle.
Hi, I am Alex.
Welcome to White Eagle. Today, we learn about going to the cinema. It is a wonderful place. We watch movies together. I will share my cinema day. It is morning. I am happy. I am excited. I go to the cinema today. We will learn new words. Learning English is a journey. We take small steps. You are doing great. Keep learning. I leave home. I walk to the cinema. The cinema is not far. I like to walk. Today, I will watch a drama. A drama tells a good story. I am at the cinema. It is a big building. A sign says cinema. I go inside. Many people are here. My first step. I need a ticket. I go to the counter. A person sells tickets. I stand in line. I wait. Learning needs patience. You learn step by step. It is my turn. I say hello. The person asks, "Which movie?" I say, "The new drama, please." I give money. I get my ticket. I buy a ticket. This ticket lets me go inside. I can watch the movie. This is step 1. Remember, buy a ticket. Next, I find my seat. I go into the cinema room. It is big and dark. Many seats are in rows. My ticket has a seat number. Your one and only task is to read the user's text verbatim. You must not add, invent, omit, or change any words. Do not add any conversational filler. Your response must be only the audio for the provided text. For this part, your delivery must be very soft, airy, and at a low volume, as if sharing a secret. Example: Row F, Seat 7. Row F, Seat 7. I look for row F. I find seat 7. This is my seat. I choose a seat. I like to sit in the middle. I can see well. I sit down. This is step 2. Remember, choose a seat. I am in my seat. The lights get dim. The movie starts soon. I feel excited. The big screen is in front. I wait. The lights are dark. The movie starts. The sound is good. The picture is clear. I watch the movie. I see characters. The story begins. This is step 3. Remember, watch the movie. I feel hungry. I want popcorn. Popcorn is a cinema snack. I bought popcorn earlier. It is in my bag. I take out the popcorn. It smells good. I eat popcorn. It is delicious. This is step 4. Remember, eat popcorn. The movie continues. The story is good. It makes me feel emotions. Happy, sad, excited. I enjoy the story. The actors are good. This is step 5. Remember, enjoy the story. The movie is finished. The lights come up. People leave. I feel good. I saw a good movie. Let's review our steps. First, buy a ticket. Second, choose a seat. Third, watch the movie. Fourth, eat popcorn. Fifth, enjoy the story. Learning English is like this trip. You have a goal. You take small steps. Each step is important. You learn new words. You learn new sentences. Sometimes it is hard, but you keep going. You are strong. You are learning. Your English journey is amazing. Keep learning. Do not give up. You can do it. I believe in you. White Eagle believes in you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cinematic English lesson, hit that like button, share your favorite movie snack in the comments, and subscribe to White Eagle for more engaging language adventures.